what I found, at least my experience in banking and in college before that, you're always valuing the company as a whole, the enterprise value, the equity value. But when it comes to credit, then there's an element of that, but you also need to figure out the price of a specific security within that capital stack.
Yeah, specific
right?
tranche of debt.
A levered loan,
Yeah.
a high yield bond, and some sort of subordinated bond. And so you can't do a DCF to get to a price of the bond, right? And so there's an element of absolute value of like what the business could be worth, what the fulcrum security is, but then there's also an element of like relative value of, okay, well, if these bonds in a similar company are trading at this value, then these other bonds should be trading here. And the type of investing within that period, and that period being kind of 10, 11, 12, changed a lot as well. So there were periods where you could buy a high yield bond, maybe B or double B rated in a average business with a few turns of leverage that was yielding 15%. And you're like, this is a great investment for like kind of risk relative to the reward we were getting. And then thereafter, there was a lot more kind of distressed stuff we were doing. And so there was a kind of rapid learning curve across, performing credit, kind of things and then distress on the one side, and then kind of a lot of stuff in between.
It's really cool.